Welcome back, everyone. We're going to do a couple of lighting upgrades to Big Dirty. One, these lights being able to be turned on and off even when the truck is not running at any speed. Number two, we're going to add some factory bed lighting, LEDs. And then the third, we're going to add some under cab step bar lighting. The first one is what we're going to work on today, is our mirror lights. We have this dongle from Limitless Auto. I recommend you guys check his site out. It's good. It's got some good stuff on there. It's also where my bed lighting is coming from. This is not a hard upgrade. We're just going to plug this into the factory spot, and as you can see, it's the same on that side. It's going to plug one out, in, the other one in. The only change we need to make is on our factory side up under here. We're going to have to cut this tab off of the one on the truck because it won't fit there. Our locating tab is on the opposite side on this. It's no big deal. We're just going to cut that off, so we'll get to that right now. So the first step, see if I can position this camera so that everybody can see what is going on. But as you can tell, we have a little green tab right here. I'm going to take this out, and it's the same tab to our module. So you just go push the button on top. You got to push kind of hard, probably with your bottom finger, pop that thing out. So this tab is what we have to take off. And I just have an X-Acto knife. I'm trying not to cut my finger off here. Cut away, right? Is what they say. Let's see if we can. If this doesn't work, I'll get something else. Let me get something else.
Had it in the truck.
Sure, you can get in my truck.
But I won't do what you do, but can I get in?
Sure.
Can you pick me up?
No, but you can get up there.
I can't do it.
You can't do it? You got it?
And the truck on the other side.
Okay, watch your muddy feet. I know. Alright, let's see if this works better. Big old snips. I know. Well, at least cuts it off. Okay. Does it?
The lights come down.
Yeah, don't mess with them too much. My little helper up there. Hey, Cooper. Can you not touch stuff?
This goes up.
You not touch stuff?
I'm not. This doesn't go up. I'm just going to get some peanuts. Go in here.
Okay. You have some.
I'm just going to get some peanuts.
They're called almonds.
Almonds.
Leave them in there so they'll go. Okay.
I'm feeding up. I'm not flat.
You just gonna touch everything?
How do
Excuse my breathing. I'm contorted like crazy. Try not to cut myself. Alright, let's see if it slides up in there.
A walking tool.
Okay. Oh, it locked. We should be good.
I locked the door.
Shove this up in there. Oh. All right. Click, click.
Well,
Push it
lights.
off.
Lights. The lights on
Yep.
outside. The lights outside.
All right. So let's see.
Turn those on. These. Those. Turn those on.
So as you can see, when we push this light on now, it's on. Let's go check it. Boom. Just that easy. No key in. Key sitting right here. No key in. So they're both on. Both off. Both on. Let me put my mirrors out here. Awesome. That's nice. So now while you're driving down the road or on the path or on the trail in the woods, any speed, anytime, setting up camp, who knows what you're going to be getting into, you can have those lights on, which will cast a decent amount of light. I'll do this again at night and I'll show you guys that. All right, it's nighttime. I don't even have my key with me. Unlock our doors here and we will turn them on. That's exciting. It's all lit up. Let's see what she looks like. Those will stay on. That's awesome. Can't wait to try it out in the field. That's cool. Now you just gotta make sure you turn them off. Don't leave them running. Alright guys, on to the next video. We'll see you next time when I'm doing the video on the bed lighting back there in the back. I look forward to showing you that too. Stay tuned. Remember to like, subscribe, help my channel out guys. I'm just trying to grow it slowly. Nothing special here. Just doing projects. Thanks everyone.